everybody, and welcome back to Financial Phoenix. I'm Alexis, and today we're going to take a look at 3 big couponing deals that we can do Saturday, May 2nd at Dollar General. Heads up that there were so many good deals this week that I had to split this into 2 different videos, so be sure to check out our follow-up part 2 to this video that will be coming out tomorrow. These are 5 off of 25 deals that we're going to be doing. We have one all digital deal. Hi, baby. As I was saying, we have one all digital deal that's going to require no paper coupons at all. We're going to get some personal care, we're going to get some laundry products, and much, much more. Be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you an extra step that you can use to get even more savings on top of your couponing deals. And with that said, let's go ahead and get into it.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, everybody, the first deal that we're going to do is a gain deal, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can do this. One, that you can leave the store with a lower out-of-pocket right up front, or the other, which I think I'm going to try and spend a little bit more out of pocket but get more for my money, and that's the one that I think we're going to see a lot of value in. So I'm excited to try both, and remember, this is an all digital deal, so this requires absolutely no paper coupons, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So start by picking up one of the Gain Flings. This is the 51 count that comes in the big round tub. They are $13.50, and you're going to use this $2 off digital coupon right here for one Gain Flings 51 count. Just go ahead and add that to your cart. Next, you're going to pick up 2 of the Febreze oil refills. These are the plugins that go in your wall. Go ahead and pick up 2 of these. They are $5 a piece. However, you want to make sure you're picking up this Gain scent because that's what's going to make this Gain transaction work. I don't know if the purple Gain ones actually scan for that same coupon. So if you're using your Dollar General app in store, definitely scan this to make sure that it's going to attach. But $5 a piece for those 2 Febreze plugins that are Gain scented. And then we're going to use this save $5 on 2 Febreze plugins digital coupon in our account. And it's essentially going to make it half off for both. Next, pick up 1 package of the Gain Flings. These are $3.95 and you're looking for the 14 count pack. Go ahead and use this $1 off digital coupon on Gain laundry detergent 40 ounces or Gain Flings 14 count or Gain laundry detergent 150 ounces. That one's definitely going to have you spending a lot more money. You could get the 40 ounce of the laundry detergent. I just like the Flings. So go ahead and pick up one of those and use this $1 off coupon. Next, pick up 1 of the Gain fabric softeners. This is the 41 fluid ounces, the 48 loads for $3.95. You're going to want to make sure, again, that you're checking the scents. I don't know about these purple things working. You're going to pick this up for $3.95. And you're going to use this $1 off any Gain liquid fabric enhancer coupon. There's no size requirement really. You could also use it on the Gain fireworks if that's something that is more appealing to you. Now at this point we could stop here and you would end up after your coupons and before tax having a subtotal of $12.40 after all your coupons come off, making sure that you have your 5 off of 30 and your 5 off of 25 coupon clipped. However, I think you can get a little bit more for your money if we keep going and buy just 2 more products. So we're going to try it that way, but if you wanted to just stop it there, just make sure you have your $5 off 30 Gain scented purchase coupon. Make sure you're spending at least $30 on Gain products, and make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped as well. Okay, so to get the most for our money for this deal, last but not least, pick up 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners. These are $3 a piece. We're going to go ahead and use this $1 off 2 Mr. Clean products coupon, and the only exclusion is the trial and travel sizes, so no worries there. And you're going to make sure you're getting the Gain scent. Now, again, can't stress this enough. Use the Dollar General app to make sure that these items are attaching with the appropriate coupon. Okay, and that's everything that you'll need to purchase for this first transaction. Make sure you have this store coupon, save $5 on any Gain scented purchase of 30 or more. clip to your account so that you can use that. Also, make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clip to your account. Let me see if I can show you what that looks like as well. Right there. $5 off when you make a purchase of $25 or more pre-tax, which we are doing. So make sure you have those last 2 coupons clipped. Here are all of the coupons together that you need to make sure you have. And our subtotal before tax is going to come to $37.40. Wow, that is a lot. However, we have $20 worth of coupons that are going to come off. So after those $20, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost before tax and after coupons of $17.40. So we've already taken 2/3 off of our order total and gotten all of these products, which is great. However, we also have, if you'll recall from the weekly ad video that we put out Monday, that there is a deal currently going on for the P&G products. Let me show you that. So the deal says save $5 on your next purchase when you spend $15 on select P&G products, select P&G brands. So here are all the brands, and look at that, Gain is one of them. So since we're buying $17.40 before tax worth of Gain products, we should get a $5 coupon printing on our receipt from this purchase that we can use toward our next purchase of $5.01 or more. So that would essentially bring our total for all these products down to $12.40, which is exactly what we were going to pay before we added the extra items to this transaction. So I think you're getting a lot more for your money this way. It is a little bit more complicated, and you do have to count on that $5 printing, but I think it's worth a try. Okay, for our second transaction, we are going to start by picking up 3 big bottles of Palmolive. So you want the 52-ounce big bottle right there. And you're going to get, it's the Palmolive because we have a coupon for it, so don't get one of these other brands. It's buy 2, get 1 free sale, and we have a 50-cent coupon, 50-cent paper coupon from one of our Sunday inserts. I can't remember which one it was, either the Smart Source or the Retail Me Not, but this is from the April 26th Sunday insert delivery. So you're going to use 2 of those 50-cent coupons. There's a limit of 4 per transaction. Plus, we have, it says there in the fine print, 18 ounces or larger. So since we're buying the big 52 ounce, that's going to count. So we're going to go ahead and use 2 of those. So essentially, we're buying 2, we're getting $1 off those, and we're getting the third one for free. Next, go ahead and pick up 2 of the all laundry detergent. Now, there are a couple different things that you could use this coupon for, so I'll go over them, but I like the detergent, especially the Free and Clear, which is good for sensitive skin, especially if you're going to resell this product at any time or have like a couponing sale or something. Sensitive skin types mean that more people could potentially use it. So 2 for $8 on sale, and we're also going to use this digital coupon for 4 when you buy 2, and the other products you can use it on are the Mighty Packs, which are the same thing, just the little fling versions, the Snuggle fabric softener, the sheets, and the scent shakers. Any of those would be good. So just pick up 2 products, use this $4 off coupon on both. Next, you're going to pick up 1 of the Centrum Adult Multivitamins. These are the 60-count tablets that you're looking for $5. You're going to use 1 of these $4 off of 1 paper coupons from the 426 Retail Me Not. That is going to give you some awesome savings on this transaction. Also, here's a little bonus deal for you guys if you want to stock up on some vitamins. I always do this deal or some variation of it when these good vitamin coupons come out. So if you want to do this, all you have to do is use 4 of these Centrum coupons, pick up 4 of the tablets, 4 of the 60-count tablets. That'll be $20. Use 4 of those coupons. You're also going to pick up 1 of the Schick disposable razors for $4 and use the $3 off paper or digital coupon for that. Doesn't matter. And pick up a $1 item from the dollar section, whatever floats your boat, so that you're spending at least $25. take off your 4 Centrum coupons, use your $3 off Schick coupon, and your $5 off of 25 digital coupon. And after all of that, you should be paying $1 plus tax for 4 vitamins, a razor, and some other item. You can't really beat that. And wouldn't you know it, that's the last item that we're going to pick up for this transaction as well. Get the Schick Classic disposable razors for $4. It's a 3 count. And you're going to use this Schick Disposables Skintimate or Schick Disposable Razor Pack coupon, which only excludes the 1, 2, or 6 count. So use this $3 off coupon. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped or a paper version of it for this deal. Here are all of the coupons that you're going to need once again. And your subtotal before tax should come to $26. And your out-of-pocket cost after all your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off is $6 for 7 items or 86 cents each, which is just awesome, awesome savings. So that is fantastic. And now a little mid-video poll question for you guys. And I'm hoping that you guys will participate in this because I really, really want to see it. Something that I've been doing a lot with my social isolation and quarantine time is cooking and baking. I've been trying out new recipes, looking at Julia Child's old episodes on Amazon Prime, just spending a lot of time in the kitchen, just having fun and stress relieving, relaxing. It's nice and calming. So I'm sure a lot of you are doing that as well. If you are so inclined, I would love to hear in the comments what you've been making that you're really excited about. If you are not following us on either Facebook or Instagram, you could go on there and actually post a picture and tag Financial Phoenix in it, because we would love to see all the fun stuff that you guys are cooking up. Or you could just leave a photo comment on our Facebook page as well on any of our posts. That would work too. So, and either way, we would just love to see all the fun things that you guys are making, especially if you're making it with couponed items. That's even better, of course. So yeah, just let us know what you guys have been into. Okay, for this last transaction, we're going to go ahead and pick up 2 of the Centrum vitamins this time. And you're going to need 2 of those paper coupons from the 426 Retail Me Not. Those are $4 a piece, and so taking off $8 on this 10 that we would be spending. Next, we're going to pick up 2 of the Pantene Intense Rescue Shots, the 3 counts. These are 2 for $10, and we're going to use a $5 off digital coupon on those, essentially making that half off. And I'm actually really excited to try these. I've heard that they're really amazing. Next, we're going to pick up a box of Tampax, the Radiant, Pearl, or Pure options. I don't see a Pure option here, but yeah, you want to make sure you're at least getting a 14 count. That's going to be $4, and you're going to go ahead and use the $2 off coupon. And yeah, you can see right there, it just needs to be 14 count or higher. If you're not a tampons person, more of a pad person, that's okay. I've got you covered. You could always get the Always, Radiant, or the Infinity Flex Foam. There's only a couple that aren't included in this one, but you can get one of the $4 packs. They just need to be 10 count or larger for this $2 off digital coupon, and it only excludes the liners and the Always Discreet. So just make sure you're getting a 10 count pack that's not one of those 2, and you should be good to go on that. Go ahead and pick up a $1 filler item just to get to that $25 threshold that we need to get to. The dollar aisle has lots of options, from disinfectant to all kinds of little laundry softeners and things like that. So pick one of those up. Your subtotal before any tax should come to $25. And after all your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $5, $5 for 6 items, or just 83 cents each, which is simply awesome. Getting lots of value out of this transaction.
So at the beginning of the video, I promised you guys I would show you an extra step that you can use to get a little extra savings on top of what you're already doing with your couponing. So this ad came in the, I think it was the PNG. Yeah, I think this is part of the, yeah, it would be the PNG because these are PNG products. Yes, right there. worth of select P&G beauty products. So this ad came in the P&G that came out last Sunday, April the 26th. So it says buy 50 and get 15 back via prepaid card by mail when you purchase these brands of products. These are all P&G products, and but we're only looking at the beauty ones. So the Pantene, Head and Shoulders, Aussie, Tampax, Always, all of those. So if you're out doing your P&G deals this weekend and you happen to buy some products, some P&G products like this, Secret, I would just, make a little note, put it on your Google Calendar, or leave a sticky note for yourself or something that this is an option. Obviously, this is after coupons, and here's the fine print down here. Excludes trial and travel sizes, which is pretty typical. Rebate applies to the price paid after any coupons. So you're definitely not going to be spending $50 worth after coupons of beauty products just in one transaction. But if you look at the dates, this is valid for anything purchased from the 2nd of February to May 31st. So if you've got some old receipts where you've got some of these P&G products on there, or you have until, the end of May, basically mid-May probably with being slow mail, but you have that long in order to, get a couple of receipts worth of products. Now, I'm sure that I could cobble together, as much as I'm out in the store couponing, a couple of receipts worth of $50 worth of beauty products that we've purchased, which include Tampax and Always, which we're always buying, because they're on sale. Oral-B, the last couple weeks we've bought those Oral-B toothbrushes that were cheap. I'm sure we've done some couponing for Crest and some different things like that. So, if you can cobble together a couple of receipts, you can mail them in. This is a $15 prepaid card that they'll send you back. So there's the fine print. You have to mail in this form, write the UPCs in the spaces provided, and you have to provide the sales receipts, the originals, not copies, with the stores and product purchase circled. So they want you to do a little bit of work for this, but it is really, now you want to be a part of it. Okay. So note that it must be postmarked by June 14th, and you need to allow 6 to 8 weeks for delivery of the card, which is typical. I'm going to see if I have enough receipts to do it. That's where you put in your UPC information, and there's all the terms and conditions. Must be 18 years of age or older. 1 refund per household, so you can't do it multiple times. And that's basically it.
Thanks so much for checking out this video, you guys. I hope you're able to get a lot of awesome savings this weekend if you need to go out. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss a single deal that we've got going on. Remember to look out for our part 2 to this video tomorrow, and give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Other than that, just remember to save money, make money, and dream big, and we will see you next time. Deals, deals, deals.
And sit down.
You're over it, aren't you? Just over it. Just try to look at the camera. Just try.